Assalamualaikum and good day. So this video is about progress 1 for VITS 1213 operating system, which are connecting users to the IP address with the server and client. So I am Nur Safina binti Zainal with matric number B0320100080 from 1BITIS1G1 as presenter in this video.
Okay, this is for our project. This is our Windows host machine, and this is our virtual Linux server. Okay, now we want to configure the network setting at the Linux server here. We go to setting. Okay, and then we click the network. Here we can see it attached to the an Ethernet, which stands for network address translation. This is the default mode for the virtual machine. To connect the virtual machine to external network using the host machine IP address for external communication. So in this case, it will connect to my Windows. So for the adapter 2, we click the enable network, it will be enabled, and then here, and then we attach to click the host only adapter as our requirement project here, host only adapter. So and then we click the advanced, allow all. Okay, then we click OK. Okay, so now we want to start our machine, and I will use my Debian here. Okay, I will click the start. It will take a few minutes, so we need to wait. Okay, now I will use the user that I want, which is Studio1, and I will key in my password. I click sign in, and now I go to activities and I type terminal. I click my terminal. Yeah, okay. Here we want to view the available network interface in my system. So I will use this command, list. Okay, here we can see we have mpost 3, mpost 8, and LO. Okay, I want to show the IP address and also information about network interface in my system, so I will using IP address show. Command, and I will click enter. Okay. Here we can see my mpost 8 and my mpost 3 here is not connected to any IP address that we need. So before we want to set it up, I will change the host name first. So I will clear this first. Okay, I want to change the host name, so I will use this command, which is sudo hostname ctl set hostname rv, because I follow for our project, which is here, and I press enter. So I need to key in my password, so I will key in it. I will use this is the permanent way to change the host name. Actually, there are two ways to change the host name. The first is temporary, and the second is permanently. What I'm using currently is the permanent. For that, I want to verify the changes of the host name. I will use host name ctl command, and then I press the enter. Okay, here you can see my static name right now, LIN Linux server. Okay, but for now you cannot see any changes here. So the changes, I need to close the terminal. Okay, and then I will open back the terminal to refresh it. Here you can see that, right? At our screen. Okay, next I will configure the internet interface. Okay, as the requirement for our project is to set the mpost 3 and mpost 8 for the as post 3 as DHCP and mpost 8 IP address. So I will need to enter the interface file by using command nano etc/network interface. Then I will click enter. Okay, here it asks for the password, so I will key in my password. Okay, here we can see here. What I want to do is in order to enter the file for the internet network interface. So I want to modify the file. I will the file and I will use the I will comment here for internet network interface. For now, I already typed the command here. Sorry. Okay. As you can see here, our command. So I follow here for as the our frame project server. So 192.168.56.10 here, and our net mask is 255.255.5, and the gateway is same as the address our default, our gateway. Okay, now and then after we do the setting, just we press the Ctrl O here to save it, and then Ctrl X. As is, we want to configure to know that we correct. So I will show IP address show. So we can see that here still not change our inet for mpost 8. So I will go to the activities and I go to the setting. Okay, I go to the network mpost 8 and I will go to setting here. IPv4, and then I will here manual. So I will enter the address 192.168.56.10. So here our net mask is 255.255.255.0, and then our gateway is 192.168.56. So we apply off, and I want to refresh it. So I will go back to our terminal. So I will show. So my address already changed to 10 here. Then We go to the network and internet here. So at the status, under the status, we go to the advanced network setting and we go to the change adapter option. Here we click it. On the VirtualBox host only network tool for our machine. Okay. Then we click properties and double click for it. Okay. We go to the Internet Protocol version for IPv4 here. We click double click at here. And then we set the IP address and the subnet mask according to our requirement project. So for our requirement project, click OK. And then we click OK. And then we click close. So we want to ping our connection. We want to test the connectivity. You go to the, you just type firewall. So I will go direct. Okay, here you can see that all the firewall and network protection is on. So I need to turn off these three. Click here and turn firewall. These three network is turned off. I will want to test my connection, so I will go to the Windows command prompt. So here I will open. So for the Windows, we need to ping the IP address that they have in the Linux. So you can see in our Linux here. So we will ping here. I will ping it. Ping 192.168.56.10. So it's already successful and we have 0 loss. Okay, we want to check the connectivity from our virtual machine. So I will clear first here. I will execute this command, ping 192.168.56.1 and click enter. Okay, I will press Ctrl C to stop. Here we can see the connection is successful. They are receiving and sending data. That's all from me. Thank you.